This is the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday morning, September 26th. I'm James Spann. Hey, looks nice and dry for a while. Weather like this makes our job pretty simple. Let's take a look at the big picture satellite view across the nation this morning. It's the water vapor satellite imagery. And on top of that, the contours at 500 millibars. Big trough in the west, bringing down some of the coldest air of the season with snow out there. The trough that brought the rain here. For the last couple of days, that's lifting out. Dry air takes over, so we're going to be in pretty good shape. Temperatures early this morning. Pretty chilly out in the northwest. Also around the Great Lakes in the northeast. And around here, temperatures will be very seasonal for the next 5 days, about where they should be for late September. Yeah, look at the winter storm warning for parts of Montana, Idaho, the mountains up there. And over the east, few patchy fog problems, and that's about it. I mean, it's very, very quiet. And obviously, severe weather around the nation, not a problem today. Rain for Alabama, not much. This is suggesting barely enough to measure through Tuesday of next week. And that sounds about right as things look very calm. The real big numbers are back in the Pacific Northwest. And the tropics remain very, very calm and quiet. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Again, we'll go back to 500 millibars. That's a whopper of a trough in the west. At an upper high, just off the Louisiana coast and troughing over the East Coast. And what does it mean for us? Well, it means a quiet, calm day. After some low clouds and fog early this morning, the sky becoming mostly sunny with a high in the low 70s. Tomorrow, pretty much the same deal. Lots of sun with highs, I'd say 80 to 84. No rain for high school football games tonight or tomorrow night. And Saturday looks just beautiful for college football in the state. Lots of sunshine. We'll start the day probably in the upper 50s. High, low to mid 80s. Humidity values pretty low. Looks great. And Sunday looks fine. The sky will stay mostly sunny. Same thing, highs low to mid 80s. A weak front north and west of the state that's just kind of dying out there. And we'll go to Monday. Got a westerly flow aloft. The front just kind of hangs up a little north of here and fizzles. We had one run that showed a little increase in rain chances Monday, but all the other runs have looked pretty dry, and this looks like most places will stay dry. Tuesday, the same deal. Wednesday, we're into October, this October 2nd. I guess you could say some chance of a shower, but it's so small. For now, it's just not worth mentioning. And a week from today just looks calm as could be. And, October is the driest, calmest month of the year typically, so that's representative of what we expect this time of the year. Then things tend to shake and bake in November. That's where the fall tornado season kicks off. We'll go out there a few more days, the 5th of October. Well, guess what? That big upper low and big trough that's been advertised by the GFS for days, it's gone now. The westerlies are north of here, kind of a ridge, and a dying front moves in, so that excitement is off the board. And the end of the forecast, October 11th. Still looks quiet here, but very cold air for this time of the year, moving down into parts of the plains and the Great Lakes, if that's correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.